Which one should I bring for you?
Family Farm, Family Farm!
Again?
Yes, but it's my favourite story.
Once upon a time, there was a family farm.
Oh, oh, oh. My farm is a family farm. 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 No one else had a farm like this. My papa's the best pastoralist. He was a preacher. He had a sheep, a cow, and one goat. And at a young age he made an oath. He said,
my family will never starve. I shall use my last to purchase this stretch of grass. We will preserve it, for we know its worth. This small construction will change the world.
My farm is a family farm. 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 In the beginning they laughed at him, but his dreams had real tough skin. No, he and his wife, they reaped and hoed. The both of them did all the work.
We will work this piece of land, place crops and rear animals. We will sow longer and grow stronger. This family farm would end world hunger.
My farm is a family farm. 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 Eventually the farm grew and grew. Breakfast is better when it's made by you. Small farms are more sustainable. Just try it with a small garden, he said.
This farming is key in poverty reduction. Rural communities are sustained by the produce of their farms. Call that primary consumption. The family farm functions to form one of the most needed necessities in nowadays society. What if everyone went hungry?
we should have listened. If not to his warnings, to the sound of the shine when his teeth glisten from them homegrown carrots. Now food done for we and that farm, we go in and riot. So arm yourself with crocus bag, for we know that that family farm has diverse crops we never had. Imagine 70% of the world's food production is provided like this. That is not family farming, that is family bliss. They work every day together for themselves, utilizing low paid or free labor. Sister and mother working and all, I guess they have woman power. No wonder my wife leave me, for like it's only the family that farm together lives happily. Boy, real vex, I never farm as a family. Follow me, I would make your hunger go away. We going and destroy that farm today.
My farm, oh, my family farm, my farm, oh, my family farm.
When they came, Greta opened the door. He gave them food, but they wanted more.
We want food!
Their behavior was very rude, so he got angry and he took his tools. Said,
Because you never listened, you in a jam. Now I have no other choice but to take a stand. Everybody here, let's head down to the land. I will teach you all how to family farm.
Crick, crack, monkey breaky back and the family farm on track.